Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you how to use the link generator, which I absolutely love. It makes it so easy when someone connects with you and says, hey, I would love these couple oils, how do I buy them? Or I really want to sign up with the Natural Solutions Kit, how do I get it? And all you need to do is go onto your account, so log into your doTERRA account, click on the account picture here where your profile picture is, go onto account profile, and that'll take you to this page. You're gonna go under the business section and click link generator. Once you click the link generator, you have a few options. You can either generate a link for someone to sign up, generate a link for someone to catch something like a scientific blog or information. So anything that you would want to educate somebody on, but it's still connected to your ID number. Or you can generate a link for someone who just wants to buy retail. They do not want to get the wholesale discount. Now, I have somebody right now that is asked to send them the pricing for tea tree and for lavender. So I already generated her a link for the wholesale account of $42 and tea tree and lavender. And I'm going to generate her a link now for the retail prices because she wants to know the difference between the two. So we already went through the options for the kits, and this is right now the option she wants to go with. So I'm going to go ahead and generate a retail link for her right now. So this is not the wholesale discount. I already did that one with the sign up link. So now I'm going to do the retail options because my hope is she's going to see the difference between the two and decide to go with the wholesale account. So I'm going to add a bottle of lavender to the shopping cart, and I'm going to add a bottle of tea tree to the shopping cart. So here's her total of $75.33. I'm going to generate a link. That is, I like to shorten the URL link, and so it's got a specific code here at the end that is going to personalize it to come back to me. And I'm going to copy and paste that and put it into the Facebook Messenger chat that we have going. And when she opens both of the links, it already has a shopping cart created for her, and she can look at the two prices and decide which one she wants to get started with. So again, if we look at how easy this is, if someone's ready to sign up, they're ready to get started, you can generate them a link, okay, just by, so I'm the enroller and sponsor, this individual is going to be a wholesale customer or a wellness advocate, you choose, and then I go ahead and select the enrollment kit that they're getting started with. So they're starting with the Nature Solutions Kit, I'd add that to the bag, and I'd go ahead and generate a link. So it's so easy now. Once you send them the link, it opens up, and that item or those items or that kit is already populated into a shopping cart for them. So all they have to do is add their info, add their address, and go ahead and ship out, and it already has your information in it. It has your ID in it. You get paid. So easy. I love this new feature. It's so simple now to share the oils and to have it come back directly to you because people want easy access to online shopping. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you in another video.